Hey, are you thinking about selling your house? If so, I've got 3 ways to upgrade your kitchen that may substantially increase the value of your house. And it's affordable. Come on, let's do this.
Reggie the Realtor, Reggie the Realtor, Reggie does real estate. Reggie the Realtor, Reggie the Realtor. For buyers and sellers, he's great.
Hello, my name's Reggie John, former rocker turned realtor. We're going to be talking about updating your kitchen today. On average, home sellers' recoup is significant, and most get 98.5% return on investment. I'm a fairly handy kind of guy, and I've taken on many projects over the years. So I thought maybe I could do this kind of a job. And then I remembered one of my heroes saying,
Man's got to know his limitations.
and let me assure you, that's the truth. My wife and I did a full kitchen renovation. New cabinets, new countertops, new appliances, new sink. It was not fun, it was not easy, it was not clean, but I tell you, babe, it looked beautiful. Have you ever lived in your house with sawdust for weeks? It's not fun. My wife and I learned a lot doing this project. The biggest thing that we learned is you need to find someone who is reliable, dependable. Ours went a lot longer than it was promised. Now, one of the things that you can do is look up contractors and electricians and plumbers and things like that online with Yelp, Angie's List, and a lot of other online reviews. Or better yet, just go to Google, type in their names, and write reviews. And that will bring up pretty much everything. One of my trusted partners is KITCHENTUNE-UP. In Tallahassee, the local owner is Michelle Burkett. Well, KITCHENTUNE-UP has 3 services in these categories: restore, redoor, and reface. Restore or tune-up is a restoration of your current wood stain cabinet. This process removes any grease, grime, stains on the wood, and they will also repair any wood damage. They can stain it to a color that will look like it did when it was new. So how long does this process take? Try 1 or 2 days. And it typically runs about $1,200 to $2,000. Redooring is the second service that they offer. It's a way to upgrade your kitchen to function and look like new. This service installs new door fronts and drawer fronts and quiet close hardware. If you did this, you would want to color match the exterior of the cabinet to whatever color you're going for. KITCHENTUNE-UP can repaint your exterior cabinets as well. How long would this take? This also would take about 1 to 2 days. You would save 50 to 60% over installing new cabinets. The average cost of this is between $4,000 and $8,000. Finally, the number one thing that they do is refacing. This is where you can change your kitchen cabinets to virtually anything you would like. Here's where you get new door fronts, new drawer fronts, soft close hardware, and they would match the exterior cabinets exactly. It looks like brand new cabinet. This process usually takes 5 to 7 working days, and this would cost between $8,000 and $12,000, and it's an average savings of 30 to 50% over installing new cabinets, which is huge. If you're interested in kitchen tune-ups here in Tallahassee or virtually anywhere, I'm going to put a link down below. I hope you find these tips useful. Please hit the subscribe button and also the bell, which will alert you to any new videos. And keep on rocking.